Hello, Jumbo, konnichiwa, wadila mana baba. Maganda hapon everyone. Right, today I am going to make Laing. Right, I have made Laing with fish before, but today I'm going to show you how to make Laing with meat. Right, so here are the ingredients. Right, I have boiled the meat. The Laing itself, taro leaves. Right here it's ginger, garlic, onions, bagoon, chili, coconut milk, and we have oil here. So bawa, sibuyas. All right. So add some little oil. Okay. So we'll start by frying the meat. All right, so I'm gonna keep it a bit aside, then add the ginger. All right, fry the ginger for a few minutes. All right, then the garlic. All right, then the onions. All right, then mix the meat together with the veggies, onions, ginger, and garlic. Then add the coconut milk. Right. Boil it for a few minutes before you add the taro leaves. Right before that, add the bagoon also. And the chili peppers. All right, then add the taro leaves. And then cover it for a few minutes. All right, then open and mix. All right, then add some Bichon. Then some little salt. All right, then add the rest of the coconut milk. All right, now let's check our laying. I think it's ready. Okay. This is how it looks. Wow. Looks great. All right. Done. All right. Let me have some. Laing is yummy. As always, this will be perfect with rice. Right? I'm gonna have rice and eat. Please subscribe after watching, like and share. It's Masunga John and bye for today. Paalam, Chane.